You've got talents. As a matter of fact, everyone's got talents. You were born, all of us were born, with 5 to 7 core talents that we carry with us through life, from our childhood, through our career, into our family and work life, and all the way through retirement. Your talents stay with you. Your talents are what you do well. They're the activities that you really enjoy and you're good at. You might like to plan, or you might be a great creator or innovator. You might be a connector with people. Your talents are your preferred activity. Let me give you some examples. One person I know is a fixer. I once had a serviceman come to the house to fix our furnace, and on the way in, he noticed that there was something wrong with my mailbox. And so he went out and looked at it and he said, "I noticed you have a screw missing." He said, "I hope you don't mind, but I fixed it." I said, "You fixed it?" He said, "Yeah, I can't help myself. If I see something broken, I have to fix it." That was his talent. He's a fixer. You have talents, and I encourage you to discover what your talents are early on and then make them the centerpiece of your work. Why? Because when you're using your talents, you'll say things like, "Wow, I can't believe it's so easy," or "I can't believe I get paid to do this," and "I really love my work." And you'll also think that when you're using your talents, they're no big deal. Problem is, your talents are so natural and easy that you'll take them for granted and not recognize the value you bring. When you know your talents, you can deliberately put yourself into roles where you're making a difference. You win because you're feeling great about what you're contributing, and your career will take off. And your organization will win because they'll have a committed employee who's making a difference.